Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Hack. So today we will see the solution for App Engine QwikStart PHP. Okay, so click on Start Lab. Open Google Cloud Console in incognito window. Enter your email ID and password to log in into the account. Now come back to the lab and we will follow all the steps accordingly. To authenticate, copy this command. Open your Google Cloud Shell. Paste this command, hit enter. Copy next command. Paste this, hit enter. To set up the region for this project, copy this command, paste, enter. Now, the task one is to enable Google App Engine Admin API. Okay, so copy this. Now, we will go to the side panel, APIs and services, library, click on this. Search for the API, paste the API name, hit enter. This is the App Engine Admin API, click on this. So in my case, it is already enabled. If in your case it was not enabled, click on enabled. Now we will move forward. To download the Hello World app, you have to copy this command, paste into the Google Cloud Shell. Meanwhile, we will copy another command, paste it here. We have switched to another directory. Now to deploy your app, copy this command, G Cloud app deploy. It will ask for the region. In my case, it is given US East 1. In your case, maybe it was different, to choose accordingly. So in my case, it's US East 1. Yeah, so that is 11. So I have to type 11, enter. Do you want to continue? Type Y, enter. Meanwhile, we will copy another command. To view your application, G Cloud app browse. Copy this command. Wait for a couple of minutes. So we are done with this. Now we have to paste another command that we have copied. It will show one link. We have to click on this. It will redirect it to another tab. Now this is showing the output that it shows that we have successfully deployed our application. Check your progress. In this make changes part is not required. There is nothing. Just you have to play this. You are done with this lab. Click on end lab. Submit. Check your status. See, we are done with this. Thank you everyone. Please do like, share and subscribe our channel.